Do you want your Google TV menus, settings, and apps to appear in a different language? This usually happens if the default language isn't your preferred one, or if you're going to use a TV from another region. In this guide, I'll show you how to change the language easily. Let's get started. First up, open your TV. Then from the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon, basically your settings. Now scroll down to device preferences and open it. Now select. Now you should find the language option here. Open it. Browse the list of available languages. Select the language you want. Now, the Google TV interface will automatically update to your chosen language. You can now return to your home screen. All menus, prompts, and supported apps should now appear in the new language you have chosen. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.